Welcome to Expat Choice TV. I'm your host, John Gordon, and in our continuing series highlighting plastic surgery procedures in Singapore, Expat Choice TV caught up with internationally acclaimed plastic surgeon Dr. Faria Correa to discuss the treatment and procedures associated with body lifting or body contouring. According to Dr. Marco, body lifting or body contouring is a surgical treatment or a sequence of cosmetic and medical surgical treatments which aim to restore a youthful appearance to the body. The body lifting procedure is available to both men and women who have what would appear to be excess folds in the skin and in turn would like to reshape their body by tightening the excess skin which has caused the folds. When is a good time to consider body lifting? After obesity and pregnancies, when a person gains or loses a significant amount of body weight, they are often burdened by excess skin on their body. After removing the redundant skin and flabbiness, body lifting helps promote a natural silhouette, improves the patient's body image, and as a result increases self-esteem and self-confidence. This is John Gordon reporting for Expat Choice TV.